Hold my breath just so I can hold you closer. Hold my heart just so I can feel it break. I'm a lot, but I would never be a loner. To never love in all of my days. Lit is my darkest, love is the hardest. The faster I go. Gold in my pocket, I made a promise. And harder I hold. Love while I can't love it till my love runs out. Give while I can't give it till I hit the ground. Never love myself enough to let it down. I love until I'm down for the count. I love until I'm down for the count. I love until I'm down for the count. Let the water pull me deep under the current, but I won't let myself come on up for air. Give too much even though you never earned it. Sometimes I wish that I didn't care. Lit is my darkest, love is the hardest. The faster I go. Gold in my pocket, I made a promise. And harder I hold. Love while I can't love it till my love runs out. Give while I can't give it till I hit the ground. Never love myself enough to let it down. I love until I'm down for the count. I love until I'm down for the count. I love until I'm down for the count. Love while I can't love it till my love runs out. Give while I can't give it till I hit the ground. Never love myself enough to let it down. I love until I'm down for the count.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight